Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing how to troubleshoot internet connectivity issues in Windows. So there are multiple ways and multiple issues that this could be stemming from. So I'm only going to go into one potential solution in this video. However, I do plan on following this video up with follow-up helpful alternatives if this method does not work for you. So what I'm going to do is head over to the start button. We want to type in command prompt. And then we see we have a command prompt option comes up. I'm going to right click on it. And then I'm going to left click on run as administrator. If you have user account control enabled, you want to select yes if you get this pop-up. Okay, so now while you're inside this window, you want to type in NETSH space INT space IP space reset. Then click on enter. Alright, at this point we can restart the computer and I will be right back. Okay guys, so I'm back. So the computer is successfully restarted and I've regained internet access. This method should work a good amount of the time. However, I do not expect it to work for everybody for every scenario possible. Like I said before, I do plan on making some more follow-up videos. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it worked for you, and I will catch you in the next video.